Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another video. Oh man, I know I haven't done a video in a while. I did the video, 5 days ago I did the video on the review on the mouse. So if you guys want to check that out, go in my unboxing playlist, tech video, and it'll be in there. My dogs are going crazy. Okay, go lay down. Alright, so Instagram finally went to dark mode. It's about time. Now, I didn't know this. It's been dark mode for a while, if you guys can kind of tell. My Mrs. Tay Gamer, she updated her phone and she went to dark mode. So this is for the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to show you how to do it through the steps. I'm going to show you camera view, so it'll be a little more easier. Now, iPhones and other devices, one thing I would recommend is updating your phone, and to do that is to go in your settings. I'll go all the way down to systems and then go down to system update and update your phone and hit check update. So if you guys don't do that, I would do that. Maybe you guys are not updated, so you guys can see the dark mode on Instagram. So yeah, pretty much all phones now do have dark mode in the phone. So pretty much they all do now. So yeah, we're gonna show you how to do dark mode on OnePlus 7 Pro. So if you guys have this phone, I can show you how to do it because it wasn't set for that. So I was like, why is it not working? But dark mode is not in Instagram settings. I don't know why. They need to put it in there because it's in Twitter, it's in YouTube. You go in there, you select it, and put dark mode on. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys like the wallpaper. I mean, you know, it's Christmas time, man. I've been busy shopping and stuff, and before I go to the video on this, yeah, I've been buying pops like crazy. So I might do like an unboxing on those, so I have some more. I can't stop buying them. So let's show you how to do dark mode. Anyway, so this is how we're gonna do Instagram dark mode. So basically, you go to your settings, scroll down, click the settings. And when you come here, you're actually going to go all the way down to systems, developer options, and then you're actually going to go down a little bit and it's going to say night mode always on. So that's the problem why Instagram wasn't updating. It's because dark mode because of that. So actually I found that out. So, or you could have it off automatic, but always on. And then everything will be dark mode right away. So yeah, so it works really great. If you guys want to check me out, JTG8090 on Instagram. Yeah. So now you got that, and you got Twitter dark mode, and everything is dark mode now. And also YouTube dark mode, finally. A tech source right there. So yeah, that's a little short actually tipped on how to do that. So make sure you're actually go to display too and go to your not night mode but themes. You want themes and you want dark. You could do light, colorful, but you actually want dark, and then you will get that full thing. That's about it. Oh, by the way, that's my Christmas tree. So yeah, so everything is dark mode, so that's nice. And then if you actually go to your Play Store and you have dark mode. Now for some reason I have to figure this out, but when I go to Instagram, that's all white on the bottom. I think that's in the settings, so maybe I can fix that. So yeah, I hope that guys was helpful, and yeah, let's get back to the video. So there you guys have it, dark mode, easy, simple. So yeah, for like the iPhones, I'm not really 100% sure how to use an iPhone because I'm not an iPhone man, I'm more of an Android. But I do like the Apple Watch. I got Mrs. Tech Gamer, my wife. I got her the Apple Series 5, and it is pretty freaking awesome. I admit it. So Android needs to come up with some stuff like that. I know they have the Galaxy Watch, but anyways, I hope you guys like the little wallpaper. If you guys, I know I had a couple people ask me about the wallpapers. So if you guys want to know, go to Steam and Wallpaper Engine. Steam is actually a place where you can buy games, if you guys don't know. If you go there, they have Wallpaper Engine, and you can select any one you want right there. If you guys want to check out that video, I did do a video on that. I'll put down the link below. So, alright guys, that's about it. There'll be more videos coming, Christmas stuff, of course. I do have a special video coming. I'm waiting. Hopefully it'll come this week or next week. Maybe next week. I'm hoping. I don't know when. I mean, a week or two. I'm hoping because it's something really cool from a YouTuber, and I liked it, and it's going to be a little change. So it's nothing big. It's just something cool I liked. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys later.